I think that the perspectives are quite bright. Okay, it's part of one of the pillars that Saudi has in a Vision 2030 to diversify their activities. Okay, that's to get away from the oil toward the non-oil, and the key step is there because this encompasses not only, I would say, onboarding new technology within Saudi for the Saudi environment, but therefore to be one of the pioneers in the region to create a platform that can serve, also, all the region.
Given increased supply chain challenges and growing protectionist practice in the trade, do you expect any problems in securing raw material needed for this strategy?
I think this is a very interesting question in the local context that we have today. I would say no, because I would say Saudi has been establishing since a long time tight relationship with main country that could be happening, not only one but many, that will support the supply of that. When we talk about supply, we have to encompass two dimensions. The dimension of, as it is today, the API supply, the active pharmaceutical ingredient supply, okay, which there is some dependencies, and the pure biological supply. In biological manufacturing, if we talked about that vaccine and some other, unless you do half of the process, you will not need what we call raw materials. We manufacture from the biological itself in order to create either the antigen, either the protein needed for the active principle.
Okay, how does SPIMACO plan to align with Saudi Arabia's national biotechnology strategy?
Okay. I would say 3 years ago, SPIMACO reviewed fully their strategy to make sure they encompass as a key pillar of their development the component of Vision 2030. And the vaccine, the biomanufacturing, the API is a key pillar of SPIMACO development. Therefore, we are aligned and it's full synchronicity with what the government just announced, because we have been working on this topic for some time right now.
What role will SPIMACO play in advancing vaccine development and biomanufacturing as outlined with the new strategy?
So, SPIMACO aims to play a key pivotal role in this part of industry, both for the kingdom but for the region as well. This will encompass vaccine manufacturing. As you see that we have signed 2-3 deals lately that will not only, as it was the case before, be simply a supply deal, but definitely a tech transfer deal, where majority of those vaccines will be transferred to Saudi on a staged manner to make sure that product, technology, but also know-how is transferred, and this is the aim of the biotechnology platform. This is for vaccine. For biomanufacturing, SPIMACO is one step ahead because we have been launching this year the first biosimilar in Saudi Arabia, Andoza, which is now available in all the Saudi markets and abroad as well. And this is the first fully localized product in Saudi Arabia. So we are ahead. We are working with the government toward and to meet together the objective of Vision 2030.
How does SPIMACO envision its role in enhancing Saudi Arabia health resilience through this biotechnology initiative?
So you have there again two key parameters. Localizing, making product available from scratch within Saudi. This is the first step of it, existing product. Second step will be definitely to enhance the capability to be a real biohub and to start developing with key partners all around the globe, new technology, new cutting-edge technologies that will make a difference and will not only serve health needs from the region, specific one, but also becoming, I would say, a key partner in this field.
Okay, what opportunities does the national biotechnology strategy present for SPIMACO in terms of partnership and collaborations?
I think it's a clear signal sent to any of the key players in this world that what SPIMACO has been saying for some years right now, that Saudi will become one of the key pieces and the center piece in biotechnology in the region, is happening, is true. And we're very happy that we have been able in this slide to sign some agreements with some tech transfer, partnership, collaboration on international platform that will encompass not only the biologic part of it, but also the API, because the API is quite important when you look at resilience, and regarding to your second question on the supply chain resilience as well.
Okay, how will SPIMACO address the challenges of talent acquisitions and regulations and finding the context of this new biotech strategy?
Okay. So I think the talent is key, and it's a long-term project that we started already. As you said, that we have been the first one to manufacture the first biosimilar in Saudi. Therefore, onboarding the needed competencies and talent to do that. And on the other hand, what is quite important in any kind of deal to make sure that we go along with the speed required. The type of agreement you have is important. It should not be simply a supply agreement, but real partnership agreement that should be taking place.